Do you know what the prudence concept means? Hopefully you'll have a better understanding after watching this video. I'm Thomas Harwood and welcome to the Accounting Student, where we create free and short videos so that you can learn about accounting. Today's video is looking at what is the prudence concept. Firstly, there are a number of concepts or rules of accounting. They are referred to by many as the accounting concepts. These concepts and rules are fundamental in preparing the final accounts of an entity. It can be said that to a certain extent the accounting concepts help to make the final accounts relevant and trustworthy to its users. Overall, there are 10 main accounting concepts, of which the fifth one that we will look at in this video is the prudence concept. The prudence concept states that the final accounts should always report conservative and cautious figures. This includes the figure for the profit and valuation of assets. Additionally, the business should not overvalue its profits or assets, nor should it understate losses or liabilities. Also, profits are not to be anticipated but recognised when they can be reliably measured. When there is any doubt of valuing an item, the concept suggests that the item is recorded at a prudent amount. In other words, it should reflect as a conservative and cautious amount in the accounts. The concept is applied to the accounts of a business in many ways. The most common use of the prudence concept is the creation and application of the provision for depreciation. In short, the provision is a book entry to reduce the value of an asset over its lifetime. As a result, the asset book value and profits are reduced to make these values more prudent. Another main use of the concept is the practice of the provision for bad debts or doubtful debts. The provision again is a book entry which reduces the amount of debt owed to the business. This results in the debtor's figure being reduced and therefore the amount reflected is more conservative and cautious. Let's give an example to illustrate the concept. Ray owns and runs a second-hand shop which sells goods ranging from living room furniture to sports memorabilia. He recently bought a rare painting for £2,000. After buying the painting, Ray's friend told him that a similar painting sold for £2,500 at an auction. Ray is thinking of valuing the painting at £2,500 in the accounts. Is he correct? Well, in this situation, Ray would be incorrect. By following the prudence concept, Ray should not value the painting at the current market price, i.e. the auction price, because it will cause the profits and value of assets, more specifically the painting, to be overstated in the accounts. Furthermore, the auction price is also an estimate value of the painting at the current time. The concept disagrees with estimating the value of items because they should only be recognised when they can be reliably measured. Therefore, Ray should record the painting as the amount it costs the business, which will be £2,000. This results in the profits and values being prudent. So that was a definition of the prudence concept. If you enjoyed it, press the like button. If you have a question you want answered, leave it in the comments below and we'll try our best to answer it. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you click the red subscribe button to keep updated with the Accounting Student. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.